Need to block a phone number on your iPhone, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to block phone numbers from calling or messaging you on iPhone. Now let's get started. To block a phone number that has recently called you on your iPhone, open the phone app. Tap the info button next to the phone number in your recent calls list. Then tap Block Caller. To confirm, tap Block Contact. If you want to block someone who's in your contact list, tap Contacts. Tap the name of the contact you want to block. Then scroll down and tap Block Caller. To confirm, tap Block Contact. Once you block someone, they won't be able to call or message you. That's all it takes to block a phone number on iPhone. If you need to unblock someone, check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.